By setting up multi-factor authentication or MFA, you add an extra layer of security to your Microsoft 365 account. When you enter your email address and password, you will also be prompted to type in a dynamically generated code provided by an Authenticator app or sent to your phone. This makes it extremely hard to hack your account. First step. Once your Office 365 administrator enables your account for multi-factor authentication, you have to set up your account to use it. This should only take a minute or so. Simply click Sign In on www.office.com with your email address and password like you normally do. After you sign in, you'll be prompted for more information. Click on Next. The default is to use the free Microsoft Authenticator app. If you have it installed on your mobile device, select Next and follow the prompts to add this account. If you don't have it installed, search your mobile app store for MS Authenticator. If you would rather use SMS messages sent to your phone instead, select I want to set up a different method. Microsoft 365 will ask for your mobile number, then send you an SMS message containing a 6-digit code to verify your device. At the end, you will be given an app password. Please copy this and keep it in a safe place, as this may be needed for logging into Outlook. Once you completed this, the next time you sign into Microsoft 365, you'll be prompted to provide the additional verification information or action, such as typing the verification code provided by your Authenticator app or sent to you by text message. This will happen only once for your programs, but every time you log into Office.com.